Hello everyone, how are you? Now we're talking about a 2001 GMC Savannah. It's a cargo van. I wanted standing room so I don't have to stoop, but I'm okay with stooping. It's hard to come by a high one with a standing room unless you pay more money, and all I got is like $2,000. And I've talked to my dad, I've talked to different family members, and they're all on board on what I've been saying. I'm tired of making payments, but I want to make sure that the vehicle that I do purchase, and hopefully it's the cargo van I'm thinking of. Now, I'm already making schematics like I own it. It does actually come with an air compressor and an electric outlet, which is actually really awesome. That way, so, you know, it is what it is. How much is the engine and transmission going to be cost to purchase brand new or repair it in the future? Who knows? But if I can start out small and aim big, anything is possible. I just want to make sure that I stay inspired and I inspire y'all as well. I'm from Houston, Texas. Now, the queen size bed, I'm not sure if I want it on the upper left, as in the driver's side, or like say this is the cargo van. It's not, but the bed I was thinking right behind the driver's seat I'm okay with, and then I'm thinking cabinets and drawers leading on down, but I do want some type of the solar panel. I've been dreaming about that for a long time, and I need to make sure that I spend wisely. I need to make sure that we do things correctly. The solar panels that I want are 500 watts. I'm not sure on the brand yet. The Harbor Freight sells them for around $200 for, I think, 100. It's either 100 watts or 200 watts. But I know you can go to Amazon and whatnot. I definitely need a rear view camera for when I'm backing up. That's a must. The security cameras I don't have to have right now. Blackout curtains, additional lighting, countertop and tools. Like I said, it has an air compressor, so the air compressor is on the passenger side near, I think, where you first open one of the door or the side door. I haven't looked at the vehicle yet. I would love to make a video on it, especially after the purchase. And maybe there's a company out there that wants to get free promotion up to a point. Maybe they can help me help myself by outfitting me with solar panels and whatnot, because it'd be nice to be able to have an off-grid application. So I think the first two things that I need, because I already have the bedding, I have clothes and water, and it'd be nice to have Tuffy's food bowl or food container inside the truck or the cab. Plus, we can do a lot more. I also need one of those vent thingies, which technically I could put it on this truck. That's a thought, but nah. So I don't know for sure if I want to installate it. I think I said that already. What else? I'm just doing a lot of thinking, so I'm gonna keep this very short. I probably won't publish this until tomorrow. I'll upload it today, but if you enjoy this video, if you enjoy me, if you enjoy Tuffy videos, please subscribe. It'd be nice. We're aiming big. We are going big. So y'all have fun. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay inspired. It will be Friday when you see this. And happy Friday.